Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen, as-salatu was-salamu ala khatamin nabiyyin wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in, amma ba'd, fa'auzu billahi minash shaitanir rajeem, bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Qala Allahu ta'ala fi Surah Al-Anaam, قل هو القادر على أن يبعث عليكم عذابا من فوقكم أو من تحت أرجلكم أو يلبسكم شيعا ويذيق بعضكم بأس بعض انظر كيف نصرف الآيات لعلهم يفقهون. Translation: Say, He has the power to send punishment upon you from above you or from beneath your feet, or confuse you, splitting into sects, and make you taste the violence caused by some of you fighting with others. See how we explain our verses in different ways that they may understand. When humans are faced with any difficulty or hard time, they ask Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's help with sincere heart, and then when Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala removes that difficult time, then they forget their own prayers and they start sinning again. And these are the things that they are involved and they are faced with, but there are so many difficulties that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala can send from above or from below, but Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala does not send it. And this is the rahmah, this is the mercy of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. He can send much of the rain from above that may cause flooding, or send the rain of stones or strong winds from above or from below. He can send the floods or the earthquakes and other punishments, but Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala does not send it. It doesn't mean that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala cannot do it. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala does not do it because of His rahmah. In a hadith, Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam said that, "Oh Allah, guard me from my front, from my back, from my right, from my left, and from above, and I take refuge from your greatness that I am killed from underneath." This topic is explained in other surahs like Surah Mulk, where Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says, أَأَمَنْتُمْ مَنْ فِي السَّمَاءِ أَنْ يَقْصِفَ بِكُمُ الْأَرْضَ فَإِذَا هِيَ تَمُورُ أَمْ أَمَنْتُمْ مَنْ فِي السَّمَاءِ أَنْ يُرْسِلَ عَلَيْكُمْ حَاصِبًا فَسَتَعْلَمُونَ كَيْفَ نَذِيرٌ. Have you become unafraid from the one who is in the skies, that He buries you inside the earth and then the earth starts moving like an earthquake? Or you have become unafraid of the one who is in the skies, that He sends the winds that have the stones and it brings like a rain of stones, and soon you will find that how are my warnings. And also in this ayah, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has mentioned a unique type of punishment in which Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala may make different sects in a nation, and these sects start fighting with each other and show their power and their resources to each other. This type of punishment does not involve sky or earth, and nothing is causing any harm, but the humans are fighting with each other and they are killing and destroying each other. And we have seen this type of punishment from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala in our society, that in Muslims so many sects are fighting with each other and they want to kill each other, and this is indeed a severe punishment from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. In the end, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says that see how we explain our verses in different ways that they may understand, meaning that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has explained one topic in very different ways so that those who want to get guidance are guided. Let's pray that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala give us true understanding of Quran. Ameen wa akhiru da'wana alhamdulillahi rabbil alamin. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.